Greetings everyone, in today's video we'll quickly learn how you can face swap only using a single image. Now we will be using this sample image and video for this tutorial. This video has been downloaded from Pexels, so we will swap this face. And this image has been downloaded from Pexels. Anyway, to do this, we will be using this GitHub repo Roop. Please note, this project has been discontinued, but it still works. Now to use this, we will be using Anaconda. Simply visit anaconda.com, click on free download, download it and install it on your PC. You can check other videos on how you can do this. After this is done, simply go to code and download the zip file. So the file has been downloaded, show in folder, open the zip file, and I will extract it to the desktop. So here is the file. Now go to the start menu and type Anaconda. You will see Anaconda prompt after installing Anaconda. Anyway, open it. Now let's create a Python environment. For that, type conda create -n, give any name you want. I will write roop-face and Python is equal to 3.10. We tested with Python 3.10, so we will be using this version, and enter, Y and enter. So the Python environment has been created. Now let's activate this. Conda activate roop-face and enter. Make sure the base name has changed. After this, we need to run some codes which will be provided. So we need to install this ONNX runtime and ffmpeg. So copy this code and paste it here and enter. This is done. Now let's install ffmpeg. Copy this and paste it here and enter. So this is done. Now we need to navigate to this folder. Open this folder, copy the address and type cd space Ctrl+V. So we are inside this folder. Now let's also install other required files. For that, type pip install -r requirements.txt. This will take some time as many files will be downloaded. Let me clear this all. Now, in order to face swipe, we need to run some commands. Here is the command. Please replace the video link. I will copy the address and replace it here. And make sure the name is exactly the same. So it is video.mp4 file and the other one is JPG image. Video quality is 80. Let's change the image source link and also change the output link where you want to save the swap video. The output video name will be swap.mp4 and I will be using the CPU. If you have a graphics card, you can also use GPU instead of CPU. Anyway, now simply copy this whole code and paste it here and enter. So this whole process can take minutes to hours depending on the videos, your PC, etc. So the video has been completed. Now let's check the video. So this is the swapped video. And this was the original video. The quality has decreased a bit, but please do give it a try. Thank you very much.